Hello everyone, myself Venkat. The previous class is inductive effect is over. Next is the applications of inductive effect. Today we are going to share the applications of inductive effect. What are the applications of inductive effect? Generally, inductive effect, it explains the stability of carbocation, carbanion, carbon free radical, acidic nature of carboxylic acid, and basic nature of amines. Okay, already the previous class is the stability of carbocation, carbanion, and free radical is over. The remaining part is the acidic strength or acidic nature of carboxylic acid. Okay, let's start with the applications of inductive effect. See, it explain stability of carbocation. See, it explain stability of carbocation, carbanion, carbon free radical, and acidic nature of carboxylic acid, and basic nature of amines. The previous class is carbocation, carbanion, carbon free radical is over. Let's start with acidic strength or acidic nature of carboxylic acid. Acidic strength. Acidic strength or acidic nature of carboxylic acid. So first of all, what is mean by acid? Acid is the proton donor. Or electron acceptor. What is acid? Acid is a proton donor or electron acceptor. Is a acid. So how to find the acidic strength of carboxylic acid? How to find? Generally, acidic strength is directly proportional to stability of conjugate base. Or anion, and directly proportional to negative inductive effect, and inversely proportional to positive inductive effect. Simply find the acidic strength is directly proportional to negative inductive effect group and inversely proportional to positive inductive effect groups. Okay, let's start with examples. For example, take one example for propanoic acid. It is a propanoic acid, chloroethanoic acid, and fluoroethanoic acid. Here the CH3 group is CH2 group is plus inductive effect group. Cl is a negative inductive effect group. Chlorine also negative inductive effect group. So for example, here it lost proton, it becomes CH3, CH2, COO minus. Okay, if it loses proton to form a Cl, CH2, COO minus. If lose the proton, it becomes F fluoro, CH2, COO minus. In this, the CH3 is plus inductive effect. It is a plus inductive effect of CH3 anion is less stable. It is less stable. So which is maximum? It is a maximum negative inductive effect of fluorine is maximum stable of anion. Corresponding acid is maximum acidic. Which is more acidic? The fluoroethanoic acid is a maximum acidic due to stable anion is formed. This is the first example. Let's see second example. Trichloroethanoic acid, tribromoethanoic acid and triiodoethanoic acid. Which is more stable? Very simple. The maximum inductive effect of groups is maximum acidic. Which is maximum inductive effect? The Cl. It is the maximum inductive effect of chlorine. It is the maximum acidic. The trichloro is greater than tribromo is greater than triiodoacetic acid. Let's see third example. Let's see. So what is the compound name? It is the 2-fluoro-butanoic acid. It is a 3-fluoro. It is a 4-fluoro-butanoic acid. Which is more stable? The 2-fluoro is more stable. Why? Minimum distance of fluorine from acid. Which is minimum distance? It is a 2-fluoro is a minimum distance. Which is maximum? It is a maximum distance from the acid group. Which is more stable? The minimum distance of fluorine from acid. So maximum acidic. It is the maximum acidic. It's based on distance. Let's start with CH2, COOH, NO2 and CH2, COOH and CH2, COOH, CH3. Here NO2 is a minus inductive effect group. So it is a maximum acidic. Let's see fifth example. Formic acid, ethanoic acid, propanoic acid. Which is more acidic? Formic acid is a more acidic. It is a maximum. Plus inductive effect. It is the minimum acidic. Let's see next example. Oxalic acid, COOH. It is a malonic acid and a succinic acid. Which is more acidic? Oxalic acid is a more acidic than malonic and succinic acid. Why? Minimum distance of COOH group from other the maximum inductive effect of COH on maximum acidic. So the oxalic acid is more acidic than malonic and succinic acid. Next, let's see next example. Which is more acidic? Obviously the fluorine is a more acidic. Why? The negative charge on maximum electronegativity is the maximum stable, so corresponding acid most acidic. Corresponding acid is most acidic. The negative charge of maximum electronegativity, maximum stable anion, so corresponding acid is a most acidic. Most acidic. Okay, let's see next example. See, in this situation, why the alkyne is more stable than methylamine? Methylamine. So in this situation, it loses the proton. It becomes CH3 C triple bond minus. They lose the proton. It becomes NH2 minus. Lose the proton, it form NH minus. In this situation, the negative charge on more electronegativity, it undergoes sp hybridization. Sp hybridization is a more electronegative atom, so number of plus anion is maximum stable, so corresponding acid is a most acidic. Alkyne is a more acidic than other compounds. This is about acidic strength. Let's talk with the basic strength. So first of all, what is mean by base? So OH minus donor is the base. Or electron donor is the base. Or proton acceptor is the base. What is OH minus donor, electron donor, proton acceptor is the base. How to decide the basic strength? See, the basic strength is directly proportional to plus inductive effect groups, and inversely proportional to negative inductive effect group. So the basic strength is directly proportional to plus inductive effect and inversely proportional to negative inductive effect. Let's take example for this. So methylamine CH3 NH2 and ethylamine propylamine butylamine. Which is more basic? Obviously this is the more basic. Why? It is a maximum plus inductive effect power. It is a maximum basic. Basic strength of gas phase, generally basic strength of gas phase is 3 degree is greater than 2 degree is greater than 1 degree. This is the order of basic strength of gas phase. Basic strength of gas phase is tertiary is greater than secondary is greater than primary. Okay, let's take some example of the basicity of alkyl group. Basicity of alkyl group. The order of basicity, in aqueous medium, or aqueous phase, in alkyl group, different alkyl group means R group, different R group. For example, if R equal to methyl, the secondary amine is greater than primary amine is greater than tertiary amine is greater than ammonia. This is the order. Okay, na? It is the most important. Next, if R equal to ethyl, C2H5, ethyl group, it is the secondary amine is greater than tertiary amine is greater than primary amine is greater than ammonia. Next, if R equal to propyl, so primary amine is greater than ammonia, and secondary amine and tertiary amine. If R equal to butyl group, this is the ammonia is greater basic than primary amine is greater than secondary amine is greater than tertiary amine. These are the important for the objective exam oriented. Okay, na? The order of basicity in aqueous medium, in different alkyl group, if the methyl is there, so it is a secondary amine, after that primary, after that tertiary, after that ammonia. This is about methyl. Next, if the ethyl group is there, secondary is greater than, tertiary is greater than, primary is greater than ammonia. Next, propyl group, if primary amine is greater than, ammonia is greater than secondary amine and tertiary amine. Next, last one, tertiary, ammonia is greater than, primary amine is greater than, secondary amine is greater than tertiary. So it is simply remind the basicity order of different alkyl group. Let's trick for inductive effect, how to find the stability and acidic strength for basic questions of inductive effect. Trick to identify acidic strength and basic strength of compound. If first identify the plus inductive effect groups or negative inductive effect groups. Plus inductive effect groups and negative inductive. Plus inductive effect, it is a electron releasing group. Negative inductive effect is a electron withdrawing groups. Electron releasing group acidic strength is decreases. Decrease the acidic strength. Decrease acidic strength. Electron withdrawing groups increasing the acidic strength. Increasing the acidic strength. So next, this is the first one. Next, more number of carbon atoms. more number of carbon atoms, more number of carbon atoms, plus inductive effect is increases, plus inductive effect is increases. Next, stability of carbocation, stability of carbocation and carbon free radical. Carbon free radical is generally tertiary is greater than secondary is greater than primary. And stability of carbon ion, stability of carbon ion is reverse of carbocation. It is the reverse of carbocation. Next, if percentage of the S character, percentage of the S character increases, negative inductive effect is increases. Percentage of the S character increases, negative inductive effect of group, negative inductive effect is increases. Next one is, if a group has a negative charge, a group has a negative charge, it is a plus inductive effect group, plus inductive effect group. For example, O minus is there, CO minus is there, the negative charge is present, that group is belongs to plus inductive effect group. If a group has a positive charge, if a group has positive charge, that is belongs to negative inductive effect group, negative inductive effect. For example, NF3 plus, NH3 plus, these groups are belongs to negative inductive effect group, negative inductive effect. This is a trick to identify the basic strength, acidic strength of compounds. Okay, let's revise once applications. So generally the inductive effect explain the stability of carbocation, carbon ion, carbon free radical, and acidic strength and basic strength. Acidic strength and basic strength. Simply the acidic strength is directly proportional to negative inductive effect group, negative inductive effect group. And basic strength is directly proportional to positive inductive effect group, positive inductive effect group. The basic strength of gas phase or gas medium, tertiary is greater than, secondary is greater than primary. Order of different alkyl group, this is important. Okay, na? Note it. Trick to find the inductive effect groups based on acidic strength and basic strength. Simple. The plus inductive effect, it is a electron releasing group, decreasing the acidic strength. Electron withdrawing group, increasing the acidic strength. More number of carbons, it's a more positive inductive effect. Carbocation, carbon ion stability is generally tertiary is greater than, secondary is greater than primary. Carbon ion, it is the reverse of carbocation. The percentage of the S character increases, negative inductive effect strength is increases. The last one is the negative charge is present in the group, that is belongs to positive inductive effect groups. The positive charge is present in group, that is belongs to negative inductive effect group. Okay, this is our class. Thank you.